Hello friends, this is a simple DC motor model. This model consists of a nail, safety pin, magnets which has a magnetic field. Here also we can see one more magnet. The end of the nails is connected to the ends of the battery. So this is a simple device, and we have the copper wire consists of around 25 gauge. That means around it has 15 turns, and this copper wire now I am inserting inside the nails, that is safety pin. So here you can see, yes. So now we can see the rotation of a copper wire. So this is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. It is on the principle that when a conductor carrying current in the magnetic field experiences a mechanical force acting on it, so this forms a couple, so it is rotating in the same direction. So this is called as a simple DC motor model. So here we made one more hand model of the simple DC motor. This DC motor consists of a battery. The safety pins are connected to the ends of the battery, and here you can see one magnet. And now we bring a copper wire. It is also around 25 gauge, that is around 25 turns. Now I will insert inside the safety pins. This pin acts as a conductor. Now I will bring one more magnet, neodymium magnets, near the copper wire. So here we can see the same rotation we can see.
Now this is the battery, this is the safety pin, this is the coil, and this is the magnet. Now the electric current passes from the battery to the coil. So in this coil it is in circular shape. It can be divided into the first half and second half, that is upper half and lower half. Now current passes through the first half, that is upper half of the circle. So mechanical force acts on it. So couple is formed. The direction of the mechanical force given by the Fleming's left hand rule. That is, the direction is given in the left hand rule of the Fleming's rule. Now it rotates up. Now the lower part comes up. Again the current comes to the lower part because it is now up. So here also again mechanical force acts on it. So again the couple formed and it continues to rotate in same direction. That is what our DC motor.